Today, we're making something extra special for the Christmas season. Festive Christmas cottages, baked from a blueberry banana bread batter. Instead of decorating those dry, disappointing gingerbread kits, we wanted something warm, homemade, delicious, and more refined. At Anthera, we believe activities like this create the kind of joyful traditions that bring families together. Kids and grandkids decorating alongside grandparents, these are the memories that stay forever. There are a few ingredients you need for this recipe. You can find the exact measurements on our website or in this video notes. I separate them into dry ingredients and wet ingredients. First, you beat the wet ingredients together, this including eggs, sugar, oil, and vanilla extract. While the wet ingredients are being mixed together, we can prepare the dry ingredients. It starts with 3 cups of flour, adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Just give a gentle toss. Doesn't have to be super mixed because remember, this is going to go into the mixed bowl later as well. Once the wet ingredients are mixed together, you can put the dry ingredients in. Okay, that's a pretty good consistency. Now let's put the banana in. Give a mix one more time. Banana is all blended in. What is the last ingredient? Blueberry. All right, 2 cups blueberry. I would add blueberry last. We'll mix that, but it's really going to be just a couple of seconds so that we have a little bit consistency still with the blueberry. For the loaf pan, here is a baker's tip. Use baker's spray. It works much like a classic butter and flour method, coating the pan with a thin layer of fat and a bit of flour so baked goods release easily without sticking or extra cleanup. It's faster and more convenient. So this is the loaf pan I'm going to use to make those festival Christmas houses. I got this pan from Williams-Sonoma, and as you can see, it has a lot of intricate details molded inside. To make sure all these details show up beautifully in the final cake, you wanted to spray it thoroughly with Baker's Joy. Really get into all the corners and crevices so nothing sticks and every little design comes out perfectly. Alright, now we fill the pan with the batter. Notice that I have left a little bit space on top because it will expand after baking. Once the little cottages come out golden and beautifully detailed, that's when the real fun begins. Set out a few classic decorations, icing, sprinkles, powdered sugar for snow, and yes, maybe even whatever left in the Thanksgiving candy jar. Gather everyone around the table and let the creativity and laughter take over. It's simple, it's fun, and it brings people together. Baking something from scratch, creating something lovely, and decorating it as a family, these are the moments that build connection, spark joy, and make the holiday season truly special. At Anthera, every bite is about comfort, care, and connection. Please share and subscribe for more recipes that are created with assisted living and memory care in mind.